This is part one of the 3M headlight restoration repair kit. I'm going to show you what I did, what comes in the kit. Let's start out with this. You get several of these P500 pads, abrasive pads. Those are what you start with. Next, you get drop down to the P800 finer, of course, 500, 800, a little finer. Then you step up to the P3000, which is a padded. You get one of these, you get several of these, you get several of these, and then you get the polishing pad. All this comes in the kit and the compound. So I'm starting off with this horrible looking headlight. I don't know how horrible it's looking on the video, but it's pretty bad. See if I can get a little bit better shot here. Anyway, it's pretty rotten. I'd actually did this before with, I did not use 3M restoration kit, but I used a different kit. Can't even remember what it was. And then I clear coated it, is what they said to do. Well, that turned out to be horrible. So this is what, after I used the 3M, this is what I have now. And you can see it's a giant mess. There is a mess to it, but it turned out really nice. It was fairly simple. Using my drill, one tip. This is a necessity. If you have a trigger lock, use it. If you don't have one, you better come up with one, because your forearm is going to feel like it's destroyed after doing this for, I would say, 30 minutes of holding that drill on, probably total. But as I get into this, I'll have a part 2 to this video. Thanks.